Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I've got a Gimkit tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to search for a ready-made kit, make a copy of it, and then edit the questions. So I've already logged into my Gimkit account and chosen Gimkit Live, and I'm going to go to Search Kits here and put in a keyword. Note that it can make a difference how you type this. When I type enzyme without the S, I get a totally different list of results. You can also filter here. If you're a world languages teacher, you can choose the language that you want, or you can limit it to a certain subject, which can be helpful if you're using a keyword that might mean something different in another subject. So I've got my list of results here. Each one shows me kind of a little picture, how many questions it is, who created it. You do want to look out for those that say created by a student. Not that you would never use those, but look at them a little bit more carefully. You may also notice several of them are very similar. That could be because somebody copied someone else's and then made a few changes to it or no changes to it. So it may show you multiples of the same. As I mouse over them, you'll see over here the questions and answers update. And when I find the one that I want, I'm going to use this one as an example. I noticed on this one, on some of the vocabulary words, one of the answer choices just says best, and I want to change that to a real type answer. So I'm going to select that one and click it. If you think you're going to look through several of these or click through several of these instead of just choosing one, I suggest that you right click and open link a new tab so you don't lose your place in your list of results, because otherwise it'll reload the search and you'll have to scroll back down to where you were. So I'm going to click this one to select it. I've got options here on the side. I can click and look through the questions and answers or show all answers, hide all answers. I can preview it. That means I'm just going to play the game on my own right now, just by myself to see how it works. I can click play if I want to play this live with my class right now without making any changes. But I am going to make a copy. Once I click copy, it brings me back to my dashboard and adds the new copied kit at the top. And I'm going to click on it to select it. And now you see on the side I have some additional options here. I've got an option to edit. I also have reports that'll show me, how my students have done on this when I've assigned it. So I'm going to click on edit. And from here, I can add questions by typing them in. And you can either do multiple choice or text input where they have to type the answer. I can create with flashcards, Kit Collab, question bank, or spreadsheet, and we'll kind of go over those separately in another video. I want to go ahead and edit those questions that I saw that had the bogus answer. They're here at the bottom. So to edit a question, you're going to click the pencil icon on the right-hand side. And then I can just select that answer and paste something else in and click save. You can also, if it's helpful to you, you can make copies of questions. If you need to have several similar questions or questions with the same answer choices, you can do a copy here or add additional questions. If you want to delete a question, you will do the checkbox over here on the left-hand side, and then a delete button will pop up here on the upper right. You can also convert them to text input. Note, if you're doing text input, you wouldn't want it to be one that has a whole sentence because they have to type it exactly as it's typed here. So I wouldn't convert this to text input. You might be able to convert this to text input, okay? So that's how I edit. I'm going to click all done when I'm finished, and it'll bring me back to my dashboard. And here is my edited kit ready to play live with my students right now or assign as homework for later. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.